I've been running websites for a few years now, and I started out just like a lot of folks, with a basic shared hosting plan from Bluehost. It was cheap, easy to set up, and for a while it seemed to work fine. But as my website traffic grew, things started to slow down. A lot. I'd get random errors, downtime was increasingly frequent, and customer support, while friendly, didn't always have the expertise to solve deeper technical issues. That's when I started researching alternatives. I needed something with more power, but I didn't want to become a full-blown server administrator either. Then, I stumbled upon Cloudways. What made me switch? Performance. The difference in website speed after switching to Cloudways was night and day. Cloudways lets you choose your cloud provider, DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, etc., ensuring top-tier infrastructure. Plus, their focus on optimization with built-in caching and a free CDN made my site lightning fast. Flexibility, shared hosting is like living in a cramped apartment, limited resources, noisy neighbors. Cloudways gives you a dedicated virtual server. I got to install what I needed, tweak settings. I was finally in control of how my website performed. Managed, but not too managed. Here's the thing. I like tinkering, but I don't want to spend hours each week on server maintenance. Cloudways strikes that balance. They manage the underlying infrastructure, the OS updates, the security patching. I handle my website and its applications, support that gets it. With Cloudways, I felt like I wasn't talking to a call center rep who was reading from a script. Their support techs understood web development and server nuances. When I had a tricky configuration issue, they actually helped me fix it. The downsides, because everything has them. Cost. Cloudways is pricier than basic shared hosting. But here's the thing. My website earns me money. If it's slow or down, I lose revenue. So I look at Cloudways as an investment, not just an expense. Learning curve. If you're used to a simple control panel like cPanel, Cloudways takes some getting used to. But honestly, the tutorials and support got me through it pretty quickly. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.